Okay, I'm going to do unboxing. I just received my Shuang Hor product delivery, okay, by my doorstep. Okay, so Shuang Hor box customized. So okay, let me do the unboxing. Alright, see what I ordered this time. Okay, so of course the first thing I need to replenish is my soya protein. Okay, because taking 214 and finish already. Okay, the soya protein. Yeah. Fiber still have. Okay. And of course the I plus. Okay, with all the very powerful ingredients, okay, especially astaxanthin, right? Because I learned through a couple of like research, okay, or going around the market to see what's good, and realize that our I plus have a very powerful ingredient, astaxanthin, and of course it has a few other very good ingredients for the eyes as well. So overall, this is, you're getting more than what it is just touted to be good for eyes lah. Okay, because the astaxanthin is actually way better than that, and you can take care of many different aspects of the nutrients requirement, and even for the brain and what else. Yeah, just incredible. Okay, just refer to the poster that I sent in the group. Okay, and of course lactoberry, because lactoberry 214, right, 4 packet, sometimes I put 3, yeah, so it finish faster than any other stuff lah, right? And of course calcium, okay, because this is very good for people with insomnia and people with nerve pain. Like recently I had some lower back nerve pain. Okay, so that's why I'm deciding to give it a try. And also for muscle, okay, release of energy. Okay, calcium very good. Yeah, and bones lah. Okay, so our calcium is very easily absorbed because it's a very small molecule. So 5 tablets morning, 5 in the evening. Yeah. Insomnia or got menstrual cramp. Okay, so this is the go-to. And last but not least, I have this YK1. Okay, YK1 is high grade healing 灵芝, 107. There's 60 capsules inside. So one day you just take minimum 4. Okay, you can take 4 at one go, or you can take 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening, right? So because the effective ingredient, right, the polysaccharide and the tryptopanoid, okay, which is to help to burn the fats and cholesterol, okay, get rid of the fats and cholesterol that's accumulated in our bloodstream, blood vessels. So minimum, you need at least 200 mg to be very effective. Okay, yeah, so all these are some fine details that you need to be aware of. Okay, so happy to receive it. Okay, and it's time to continue taking good care of my health. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing video. Ciao.